Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about polymorphism in Python. Polymorphism is an ability in OOPs to use a common interface for multiple forms. Okay, you can able to say in the Java there is a polymorphism. One form act at different actions that is called polymorphism, right? The similar format of this polymorphism in the Python also similar format, but we can able to use common interface for the multiple forms that is called data types. Suppose we need to color shape and there are multiple shapes are optional, right? One color we have that rectangle, square, circle, right? However, we could use the same methods to color any shape. This concept is called as a polymorphism, means one color, only one color in the shape, but there is a different options. One form having a different actions, that is called polymorphism, means one form it is act as a different by using data types or something, then it is become a polymorphism. How we can able to see a simple example? I'm going to copying here. I'll explain you the programming here. See the Parato is there here, flying and swim. There are two methods. And begon is there is a fly and swim. But all are common methods only. There is no different. But I want to fly one call the common interface. If it is common interface, I'm going to it will take as any value. It's not the same value it will not take, but it is a common value it will take. Anything we can able to, even it's not a bird, if you want to use something you can able to use it. Okay, fly is the method we are going to call it. Okay, instead we are going to creating the object of Pareto and as well as speaking both, but we are going to call for flying test. Okay, flying test we are going to create because we are created for common interface. This is a common interface, we just know it out, right? When you want to access something which you are going to access, that is common interface we are going to create in this polymorphism. One shape we need to act for, like here to use a common interface for the multiple forms. When you want to use the multiple forms by using common interface, this is a common interface we are going to two places fly method. This it will accept for any value and we can able to declare for the particular method which you are going to access. Now both the objects I refer into the fly test because I want to two methods we need to call it, right? Now we can able to see here parrot cannot fly, parrot can fly, parrot cannot fly, because can both the places you can able to see here the common interface. Now fly, this one cannot and can fly. Okay, we can able to call like this, we can able to which is the one you want to use commonly to your code, that moment we can able to use this common interface by using the polymorphism, that we can able to achieve that one particular method, like different aspects. Okay, these are a simple example for polymorphism. Okay, in real time very less times we are going to use these all the things. Most of the time functions we can able to directly create and we can able to access most of the time. But if you know that polymorphism concept, then it will help you to do some actions somewhere. Any important moments, if you are getting something like you want to do some actions there, that moment it will help you to do some operations. Okay. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Please share it to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.